I was losing my vision in this eye. With the MRI, they discovered that I had a meningioma, it's a brain tumor, and that was the only symptom I had. And I was only blind in this eye, but I could lose both eyes. You can notice it's perfect. It's start here and finish here, and he did an amazing job. The surgery was amazing because I recovered this vision and this improved also. Thanks to the physical therapist team, the nurses and the doctors also, of course. I am perfect.